Oh, so they're having a buy two get one promo here. But first, let's check out the Majorette and the Matchbox section first here. Okay, nothing new so far here from Majorette, but they are on sale, only 100 pesos, so that's 30% off. Am I right? Something like that. Used to be 129 to 100. A lot of Audis here and Citroen. Yeah. These ones are not on sale. Yeah, so this one's cool right there. Jaguar, check this one out. No, not Jaguar, Porsche 934. So let's check out the Matchbox section here. Jurassic Park, I think that is the new series, but their Matchbox here are from a lot of cases ago. Old cars, Ranchero, you have Nissan Leaf, Jags, got a lot of Nissan Leafs here. Holden, this would be interesting to customize, I think. Multi-packs from Matchbox, Coffee Cruisers on sale. Now 500 pesos only. Okay, check this one out here. With a Bronco, Humvee, and what's that pickup? Is that a Dodge? No road, no problem. Multi-pack. Cool. That's a cool one. Okay, I'll just carry this for a while. Maybe I'll get it. Maybe I not. Maybe not. Check out the major 5 packs right there. So let's check out what they have here for Tomica. These are the older cars from last year, I think, 2 years ago. We have the blue Jimny, which is the special color, special variant. Oh, let's check out the Hot Wheels section and check this one out. Yeah, this one I will definitely buy. This one, Datsun Wagon. Now I ordered online for, above SRP. I ordered 3. Because I didn't believe I will find it here in the pegs, but yeah, I found one, which is kind of neat. Check this one out. Check out is that the engine from the El Camino or what? Yeah, pretty cool casting. Yeah, I didn't believe I could find this. I will be able to find this wagon here, the Datsun Wagon. So I ordered online for way above SRP prices. So yeah, lesson learned. Be patient if you don't want to spend extra. But yeah, whichever makes you happy, go for it. Street Creeper, just the regular variant. Yeah, sometimes I really don't care about the prices anymore, but from these cars, I just wanna. Sometimes if I have extra, I'll just buy them. Super Chromes, that looks cool. So these on display here, the main lines are on a promo, buy 2 take 1 promo. But so far, nothing that I want or I haven't got yet. Drifts, this one looks cool. Oh, check this one out, the Maverick. Loving this paint job from this case. Yeah, metallic silver. looks like it has glitters all over it, which is really, really cool. The best looking Maverick in my opinion. For their newer release of the Maverick. Oh, pretty cool. Gasser. I just put that on top here. Maybe I will get that one, but I'm still thinking about it because I already have that casting. I don't want a lot of extras for that gasser. Chevelle SS. What do we have here? Wagon right there. Ford error card. Okay, so let's check out some more cars. I think there was a gasser somewhere here, but yeah, as I said, I don't want to keep a lot of that cars in multiples, so I'll just leave it here for someone who doesn't have it. Bone Crusher, we got the Nissan. Okay. Okay. So far, nothing interesting. Just the Datsun and these two here. But I think I'll only be getting the Datsun. I'll also be leaving the Matchbox 5-pack behind. And check this one here. A couple of Diecast brands that I haven't seen before from Rastar. They have a lot of McLaren Sennas in black and orange. It looks cool, looks good, comparable to I think Moragos and Kinsmart. They have also the same at the same price range. Check this one out, Lamborghini Murcielago. But if you have been to Miniso has also these these cars with the same scales, and I think they just package their cars. I think they're also made from Rastar, if I am not mistaken. So just McLarens and Lamborghinis here. No Bugattis whatsoever. Hoping there was a Bugatti. And check out here from Morago, the 1/64 scale cars here. Ferrari. Check this one out. Now if these were priced below 100, these would be selling fast, but since they are priced slightly above, slightly above Hot Wheels here, so no one is buying these cars. You can see it has no interior details at all. Their rims look ugly. But these one here, they're bigger scale cars, which they also call 1/64 models. Looks better and cheaper than the Ferraris. Maybe because of the Ferrari brand. But these one, way better than those Ferraris here. Ooh, VW. Check that one out. R32. Haven't seen that a lot here. These are 1/43 scale models. From Morago again, check that one out. That was the Chiron. Here's the Morris Mini. What's this? I'm not really quite sure. What car is this? Maybe an Audi? Porsche? Ooh, Nissan Juke. That is my uncle's car. Same car. Different colors though. Morris Mini again. SUV, which I don't know what make it is. So what else? Ooh, Porsche at the back. Let's check that one out. Porsche 911. Check out the details, really good. I just don't like the ribs of this car. Check out the fake carbon fiber detail on top that goes onto the hood. Pretty cool. And interior is detailed. I just don't like how the windows are made and the rims are made. Looks ugly to me. So that will be all, and continue watching. I have something to show you guys which I bought, and I'm pretty happy because it will help in my restoration. Yeah, so that was all for our toy hunting, Hot Wheels hunting video, and I only bought, to tell you honestly, I only bought the Datsun Wagon and this one. Check this one out, guys. New tools for customization, Hot Wheels restoration soon. Yeah, I wasn't able to take a video of me inside the thrift shop since I ran out of battery, so this is what I got. Rotary tool. Got this cheap. This is Japan made. It's only 110 volts, so I still have to use a transformer. It comes with these tools, drill bits here. Yeah, but I think it lacks the one that can cut. I'm not really familiar with this brand Proxon. I hope this will last, and I hope this one is good, but I was able to test it and it was fast. So that's all for our, again, Hot Wheels hunting, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Bye bye guys, see you soon. Peace out.